Good to hiccups. You got the you got the hiccups so bad. You got the hiccups so bad. You got the hiccups. You got the hiccups. What? You got the hiccups. Do you have the hiccups? Do you? You got the hiccups? Do you got the hiccups? Yes. Poor baby. Hey, you with the fat face and the cheeks. You got the hiccups? Sure. Quit looking at the camera. That's such a cocky ham thing to do. Hey, do you got the hiccups? Do you have the hiccups? Yes. You're falling farther into the chair. Oh, are you alright? Yes, you're okay? Oh. So, you feel alright? Huh? You say I have the hiccups? Eggplant? What is that face all about? Do you have the hiccups? Do you have the hiccups? Do you got the hiccups? Do you have the hiccups? Huh? Do you? Do you have... Do you? Do you have the hiccups? Yeah, you got them? Oh, gracious. It's very serious business. What's up? What's up with that? Alright, say bye. Say goodbye. Asher. Say goodbye. Oh, gracious. Okay, bye.